Well, it's another one of these mornings. Welcome back to another Saturday. It's Radio Jonesy again, and you know where I am on a Saturday morning. I'm down here at the beach. We're going to be doing the Parkrun / walk. Hey, we've had an easterly weather system for the last number of days, and it's the first time I've seen seaweed on the beach like this. You know, like high tide was way up to here, driftwood, and you can tell the tide is way out because of the amount of footprints that are on the beach. Because usually you don't get people down here. Look at this. Wow, good for the garden. What else we got down here? Look at this. Who knows how long that's been floating around the water, rolling around the sand. She's low tide. And the paddleboarders are over there training today. There's no waves. Where them guys go? I don't think I've ever seen the tide out this far. Oh, we had a huge full moon. That's right. There was a huge full moon. So that's why we're getting bigger tides. Check all this out. This is so cool. I'd like to thank everyone who's been tuning in, watching the videos. That's the sort of weather we got. Looks like there is a bit of moisture in that cloud. Let's hope they stay away for the next hour. Oh man, that is wonderful. There's the seagulls out on the rocks here. All out there just hanging out. Man, what a beautiful day. Port's over there, you can hear the noise from the port. You got the runners running. I'll tell you one thing today, I've got a different pair of shoes on and I'm not feeling it today. So I'm definitely gonna not try to do my fastest time. I'm just gonna walk around the course. Just keep my fitness levels. That's basically it. Not going to push hard. I'm not going to try anything stupid today. Couple of plovers on the sand. Beautiful day, but It's amazing what you find down at the beach. Yeah, she's a pretty cool day. In more ways than one. Here comes the runners warming up. A lot of them do more than the 5Ks before they officially start. Check this out. Man, that's pretty cool. Yep. The crowd is mustering, getting ready. There goes the middle marker official.
Just like
Beautiful day for it. Clouds are gone. Weather changes down here, so we'll see what it's like when we're coming back. And the halfway point. Look at that. Whoop. Must admit, even walking at the pace I'm going, everyone's past me basically. There's a few behind me. But what a day. Just getting your heart rate up, losing a few pounds, kilos, whatever you want to say they are. This is actually the Penguin Visitor Information Centre. And this is where the penguins' habitat, right here on the right. It's really not too far away, and they'll start be back in their thousands again. There's a few hanging around, but that's where they hang out, over there. And they have got tunnels to get them in over here as well. And there is the little information centre, just in there. Let's keep going. I'm catching you. Alright, another walk back. My marker is in front of me for the other lady that I couldn't catch last week. Might have a chance. Might have a chance. There you go, the African daisies won't get eaten by the wallabies. Bring you back in a jiffy. Alright, uphill, I'm pushing a bit harder, try to catch these two lovely ladies, see how we go. Well, that's another one finished for the day, or for the early morning walk. Definitely went a lot slower. I timed it myself. My time was, yeah, probably 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes slower than I was last week. But that was deliberate, just a bit of exercise today, build up a bit of fitness, and then try again, not next week, but the week after. But look at this. Yeah, ooh. Old man gets up a sweat. Gonna have to start taking off these hoodies and jackets. Keep wearing the same ones every week. It's cold when you start, and beautiful when you finish. Yeah, well, see what else I can get up to.
Welcome to Outback Tasmania. Come and take a look around, where the hills are steep and the sea's the perfect sound. We're building up a homestead on a little patch of land, with the shovel, saw, and coffee mug and dirt upon our hands. Charlie leads the way each day, his tail held nice and high, chasing every bird that dares to wander by. The southern ocean sparkles as the morning sun breaks through. There's no place on this earth I'd rather share with you. It's Outback Tasmania, this is where we're free, with Radio Jonesy bringing life to every tree. From the veggie patch to the coastline blue, every day's an adventure waiting just for you. Charlie runs beside us every single mile, sharing laughs and hard work with a great big Tassie smile. The onions keep on growing, the spuds are looking fine, capsicums and pumpkins climbing every vine. Peas and beans are reaching for the bright blue sky, watching all the seasons gently rolling by. Every fence and garden bed has got a story too, sometimes built with timber, sometimes held by hope and glue. Learning as we're going, making every day count, from sea level gardens to the steep hillside mount. The wind can blow a gale, the rain can fall all day, but tomorrow brings another chance to find a better way. The views are worth the effort from the top of every climb. That's the heart of Tasmania, every single time. It's Outback Tasmania, where dreams are built by hand, with Radio Jonesy sharing life across